Hello everyone, we're off to Grace Island now, which is near San Jose. Off to Grace Island, it's over there. Just got on the boat, get on the boat. This should be fun if we're walking up here. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Hey, here I am. There's Mariola, she made it. What? There we go, you made it.
Made it.
I'm the captain of the boat. Captain Mako.
Right side here.
Oh, watch.
Thank you.
Everyone's putting their sun cream on. And the guy's called Oliver. I think everyone's sending him around the twist. So we'll have to call him Oliver Twist. Oliver round the twist. Here I am, this is the lie. Might see some dolphins and turkeys on turtles on the way. Turtles on the way, not turkeys. Definitely not seeing turkeys. Yes, very nice. It's a 2-hour journey on top of our already, how many hours have we been going now? 24 or something?
About 48 or something.
48.
Maybe not, but feels like it.
Yeah, nobody slept. Well, Mariola, she slept. She's been asleep more than she's been awake. But the rest of us, we haven't slept. She's slept for the rest of us.
I wish. I'm not sleeping now.
No, she's not sleeping now. Peace. Here I am on the boat. Going to Grace Island. There's old Mother Hubbard over there, look. There she is. Old Mother Hubbard. She's come along with us to this trip.
Hola. Hola, ¿cómo está? Hello. From somewhere between San Jose and Grace Island in Philippines.
Oh, we're going to Grace Island today. I don't sleep for 2 days.
There is Daniel. Hello. Having a good time, Daniel?
Yes, after all the journeys we've done in aeroplanes, it's brilliant. Out to sea, bobbing along at the bottom of the deep blue sea.
This is Daniel for you, always singing, no matter of what. What Mark said in the reception to the guest, you will represent.
Oh, No.
This is Mariola saying, I told you so again. She likes doing that. Don't you, Mariola? Does she do it with you, Chris? Go, I told you so.
So, yeah, so then Mark got in half and ran away. That was the end of the story.
There we are, Grace Island Resort, just coming up. There's a turtle.
I seen it.
A turtle. It's gone underneath now. I got it on camera. Yeah, saw it. There's a whale. There's an octopus. There's Loch Ness Monster. There are people living there. Well, they wave to us. Wave. They're not waving. Hello! Hello! Guys are waving back there. Can I come and live with you lot when we go home? I'll just stay here. I doubt you can hear me now, it's a bit blowy. But this is accommodation. Look at it, beautiful. Grace Island Resort in the Philippines. Oh, they're all coming. Everybody. We've got everybody coming. Are we the only ones here?
Mabuhay! Welcome to Grace Island!
Thank you.
Wow.
There. Morning, over there. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello.
water bottle. Thank you.
I've got a welcome drink. We get a welcome drink here. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. Where is Mr. Nico?
Group photo here.
Here.
Do we stand here or there? There.
Smile. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Waki waki. Kindly, you follow the girls. They will show you your cottage.
Cottage. Here we go.
Facing as
This
you
way.
pass
Thank
the
you.
street.
Don't blow off. I saw a turtle out there. Did the turtles come here?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. So it's a bit wonky, this bridge. Well, it's not wonky, it's me that's making it wonky, I think. But imagine when you need to go to the toilet in the middle of the night, you've got to come over here. I'm not going to the toilet. I'm trying to balance. The man's bringing them. Right, so this is... Who's in this one?
Number 10.
Where? I'm number 10. Thank you. Ah. So here we go. I haven't done a bed test yet, but I did dropping it too much. We might fall flipping through. Okay. Grace Island Resort. I didn't want to jump. Look at the ground. So that's it. What's this green light for? No idea. No green lights in here. I mean, somebody could catch squid. Right, so that's it from, well, it's not, I'll show you more around Grace Island Resort as the week goes on. The 2 days goes on. Right, bye bye for now.